Listen and practice.
When I was a child, I loved reading books. For many years, I wanted to write children's books. After college, I tried to write stories, but it was difficult for me. Now, I enjoy painting. I paint with watercolors and oil paints. I have won some prizes in art competitions. However, the prizes are not the most important thing to me. I love creating pictures and expressing my ideas through art. Painting makes me very happy, and I enjoy it every day.
Now, try to read out loud. Listen and practice.
I have always liked collecting things. When I was young, I collected many things, such as comic books and baseball cards. Now I keep them in boxes at home. Today, my favorite hobby is gardening. I spend a lot of time in my garden on weekends. I grow flowers and take care of them. I enjoy watching them grow and change. First, they are small seeds. Later, they become big and beautiful flowers. Gardening makes me happy, and I enjoy it very much.
Now, try to read out loud. Listen and practice.
When I was a teenager, I liked playing video games. I spent a lot of time playing them. Now I work in an office and use a computer every day. Because of this, I like spending time outdoors. I am a member of a hiking group. We visit different places every weekend. Hiking helps me stay healthy and fit. I also enjoy meeting new people. The best thing about hiking is that I can make good friends and enjoy nature at the same time.
Now, try to read out loud. Listen and practice.
I have my own restaurant. I have owned it for 10 years. When I bought it, I thought it would be easy to run. However, it is a lot of work. I work many hours every day. Sometimes the restaurant is very busy, and sometimes it is quiet. We usually have many customers on weekends. During the week, we do not have as many customers. I do not take many days off because there is always work to do. I do not cook the food myself. I have 3 good chefs who do the cooking. Owning a restaurant is a difficult job, but I love it. I do not want to do any other job.
Now, try to read out loud. Listen and practice.
This is a very useful cleaning machine. You can use it to clean your sofa, carpet, and car. It is rechargeable and can work for about 30 minutes after a full charge. It is light and easy to carry, so it is simple to use. It can pick up dirt and small pieces of dust very well. Inside, there is a small bag that collects the dirt. You should check the bag often and change it when it is full. You can see the dirt through the clear plastic cover. After using the machine, put it back on the charger. This helps keep the battery full and ready to use again.
Now, try to read out loud. Listen and practice.
I have my own design company. It is a small company with 2 assistants. I design brochures, magazine advertisements, menus, and other things. It is a creative job, and I enjoy it very much. I started my company 2 years ago after design school. The company is doing well. I have 2 big clients, and most of my work comes from them. Sometimes I work late at night to finish important projects. I always have a lot of work to do, so I am always busy.
Now, try to read out loud. Listen and practice.
My neighbor is moving to a new place. He has lived next to me for almost 5 years. We do not talk very much. He has only spoken to me a few times. Sometimes I wave to him in the morning, but he does not wave back. I do not know him very well. I am not very upset that he is moving.
Now, try to read out loud. Listen and practice.
My neighbor Hannah is a very busy woman. She works at a big law office in the city. She works many hours every day. On weekends, she helps other people as a volunteer. Her house is always very clean. She does many things every week. I do not know how she finds time for everything.
Now, try to read out loud. Listen and practice.
I work for a market research company. My company helps other companies learn about new products. I call people and ask them questions about the products they use. Sometimes I invite people to meetings. We talk about ideas for new products. I like my job because it is interesting. I have worked there for almost 15 years. Every month I work on something new, so my job is never boring.
Now, try to read out loud. Practice with us. Write one sentence about your hobby, job, or neighbor in the comments below. We would love to read it. Subscribe for more easy English stories and daily conversations.